Right, so we are given this equation, 1/2 tangent 2y equals x over 2 plus 1/12 sine of 6x. And we want to show that y prime equals cosine squared 3x times cosine squared 2y. Right, so let's take some derivatives. So we have 1/2 as a constant, so I'm just going to pull it out there. So we have the derivative of tangent 2y, which is secant squared 2y, times the derivative of 2y is 2 dy dx. Remember, dy dx, same as y prime. And that's equal to the derivative of x over 2, which is 1/2, plus 1/12 cosine 6x times 6. Okay. I'm going to rewrite this. 1/2 times 2 goes away. And secant squared is actually the same as 1 over cosine squared 2y. So I'm just going to write it as y prime. I guess I'll write that here. Y prime equals 1/2, and 1/12 times 6 is 1/2. Cosine 6x. Okay, which is also equal to 1/2 times 1 plus cosine 6x. Okay, so there's a trick here you need to know, which is there's a formula that says if you have 1/2 plus 1/2 cosine of 2x. I don't like where I wrote that, but here we have 1/2 plus 1/2 cosine 2x is equal to cosine squared x. Okay? So I'm going to rewrite this here. So that y prime over cosine squared dy is actually equal, well, first I'm going to say it's 1/2 times 1 plus cosine of 2 times 3x. Okay. So that matches our form. So we have cosine squared 3x. Okay. So now we want to isolate y prime. So just multiply everything by cosine squared 2y. So we have y prime equals cosine squared 3x times cosine squared 2y. We just showed that that's what it's equal to.